The story of Cruisers Yachts goes beyond sleek and elegant pleasure yachts. Industry-leading technology and unrivaled attention to detail. The people behind the boats is truly what makes Cruisers Yachts special. You'll find third-generation employees designing, molding, and perfectly crafting every detail on every boat. Cruisers Yachts' rich boat-building heritage dates back to 1953. Since then, Cruisers Yachts has established themselves as the premier provider of luxury pleasure yachts. Each boat is handcrafted in the USA with industry-leading design, innovative technology, and unrivaled amenities. Every component, every texture, absolutely every element has been handpicked to provide you with unsurpassed comfort and performance. Bask in state-of-the-art amenities and set your sights on the horizon. From the stylish Cantius series to sleek and powerful outboards, you'll never want to head back to land. Distinguish every moment on the water with a dynamic infusion of elegance, luxury, and head-turning style. 360-degree windows, retractable roofs, and dual bench doors are only a fraction of the distinguished amenities that make Cruisers Yachts the ultimate relaxation destination. Comfortable, spacious design above and below deck invites you to spend more time on the water than ever before. There are no compromises when it comes to quality. You must feel the difference. Call your local MarineMax Cruisers Yachts dealer at 888-856-1979.